Welcome. In this tutorial, we learn how to mask characters in a string, such as hiding parts of a credit card number or sensitive data, while keeping a portion visible. Let's get started. Our goal is to replace part of a string with a mask while keeping the last few characters visible. This is useful for securing sensitive information like credit card numbers. This function takes three parameters: the string, the number of characters to leave unmasked, and the masked character. It then replaces all but the last num characters with the mask. The function first converts the input into a string, then uses the slice method to isolate the unmasked portion. The masked portion is replaced using the replaceFor method, and the final string is returned. This table shows different ways we can mask a string. By adjusting parameters, we can control how much is hidden and which mask is used. This technique is widely used in security applications, such as masking credit card numbers, partially hiding phone numbers, or keeping sensitive data private. In summary, this method provides a flexible way to hide sensitive information while keeping key details visible. It is commonly used in security and privacy applications. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.